Hey everyone! Welcome to today's stream. Thank you, Ghost, for the first redeem. Thanks, Shades, for the do some squats. I'll do the squats now. 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But how is everyone doing? So I'm really late today. It's just one of those days where I end up getting distracted by literally everything. But yeah, welcome to today's stream where I am starting on my own projects for the Game Jam. I will be alternating between this project and The Lost Souls over the next 2 months. Because I still really need to work on The Lost Souls when I can. But how is everyone doing? I hope you're having a wonderful Wednesday. Also, sorry I didn't go live yesterday. I just didn't feel like doing a stream yesterday in the end. Sorry I left it to announcing it so late. But I'm back. Next week I'm pretty sure we'll be back to normal for the most part. So yeah, I'm going to be starting off my own projects for the Easter Multimedia Easter Jam. The reason why I'm taking part in it is mainly because it's a bit of fun. I need a distraction every now and then. But also, so that way, you know, everyone knows that I'm doing something, so they know that they're not going to be the only one doing something for it. I haven't set up the Game Jam, not Game Jam, Multimedia Jam, thing yet. But if you're interested in it, you can join any time along the 2 months it's going to be active. It ends on the 31st, the end of the 31st. So feel free to join it if you would like to. I've set up an itch page, but the main area is going to be in the server. So the reason why it's 2 months long for Easter is basically to give people plenty of time that didn't have much time before to participate on it. I'm gonna switch playlists quickly. Let's go to about here. In this playlist. In shadows cast by moonlit grace, there walks a figure, noble face. Jack Noble 5, a vision rare, a handsome spirit beyond compare. His gaze a symphony of charm, in every feature grace and warmth. With noble mind, is that? And subtle style, Jack Noble 5, you make heart smile. Thank you for that, Ellie. It really means a lot to me. Oh yeah, remind me to show you how to do the stream elements change. It's very quick changing stream elements. That can go a long way. So yeah, I've got pretty much a blank project. I've customized it a little bit. I've got it on my source control as well, so I can update it and stuff as needed. I'm actually gonna Also, I know I haven't done my VODs. I forgot to do them yesterday. But I'll do them later today, if I remember. I'm just doing this because I'm going to be importing a few projects that could potentially fuck things up, but hopefully not. And I've got the this little menu open as well to manage stuff. I've got this one imported. The other place I want to go is it's for terrain tools, so I'm going to need for this one.
This is a bucket.
Dear God.
There's more.
No.
Just realized that Mike was off, sorry. But yeah, it goes, I'm guessing ham and cheese sandwiches. Yep. I hope my mic hasn't been off the whole time. Yeah, if you turn that on and then click on it, it will show you everything it can alert you about. And you can turn things on and off. It is really useful, especially for starting out. Because it'll show up everything, in there, in your chat when they happen. Come on. This always takes a moment. Because it's importing from my external hard drive. Mm-hmm. That's interesting. I'm gonna give this a sniff out quickly, everyone. Oh, so they've made a universal package. Open a Unity editor. Well, the host Oh no, you don't have to if you don't want to. It will do it automatically. Unless you do want to customize it, then fair enough. I've been thinking about customizing mine, but my brain keeps going everywhere else but that. Also, Jack the Horus Heresy is finally finished. The last book for Horus Heresy was released not too long. Ah, nice. Sorry. Ah, frick. It turns out I've had some kind of bug underneath the whole Yassi illness this whole time. So, yay! Now let me... Da, 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 da. Sorry about this. I'm just quickly typing in the server so everyone knows. Yeah, that's fair. I still have yet to customize mine. To be honest, I've been trying to think of names for the Nightbot and Stream Element spots because you can actually customize them as well. But I don't want to do what everyone else does and just name them after me if I can. Right, we're gonna do this. Also, Ellie, in there as well, there's raid ones, which which can pop up when people raise you. Come on. It's probably gonna nag me about switching to the input system, which will reload the whole project as usual. Do, do, do. There we go. It's starting to load. Here we go. I can shrink this down now. Yeah, no worries. It's just that I remember when starting out, people were kind of pestering me to set up something where, like, there was some kind of system, to say thank you and stuff. Because half the time I didn't know that I was getting follows and stuff. And also it did help, the growth a little bit. When I added that in. Because, people really do like to see when they do something, it pops up at least somewhere. Jeez, the core render pipeline library's up to version 14. Okay, so in projects. Some machines here now. I'm gonna open up the project settings quickly. Linear. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, switched it to both. Nice. I don't know why, I just like to run IL2C PP. So let's update this one here. Text Mesh Pro, and I'll get the start stuff. Version. Unless that's all built in now. I'll test it in a moment. Alright, something I need to be done. We don't need HDRP stuff. We're using URP, not HDRP. That goes in there, as long as nothing throws an error. I want to know... Hold on. Weird. Sorry, I got distracted. Because this is bugging me, to be honest. I'm gonna turn off this for now. Right, okay. Huh. That's new. Hold on, that's some of the HDRP stuff. I don't... What's this? Oh wait, I know what was missing, sorry. What was I? No, it's gone. Interesting. But yeah, that stuff looks like HDRP stuff, which I do not need HDRP, stuff. Give me a sec, everyone, while I quickly work out where the heck the HDRP stuff is coming from. Lots of layers, textures, details, terrain, terrain. Interesting. Hey Tim, thanks for the Hydrant Squats. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. I don't feel like I'm about to sneeze. How's your day going so far, Tim? Okay, so what I'm after is not volume stuff. I need to get rid of the HDRP stuff. I can bugger off at the minute. Because I don't need HDRP stuff from this. Wait, what am I looking for? What's in Legacy? Oh, the old text mesh stuff. There's Ragdoll in here. I'm gonna create a folder for terrain settings. I'm just gonna call it first terrain settings. Why I still have trouble with this. Hold on, let me double check how mine works. Which bot it is so I can quickly track it down. Actually, I think I just use Nightbot for mine. I'm not sure how this works, but I'll send you this to... Give me a sec. Like, what I've sent you, Ellie, on Discord should be, that's what I've typed in as the command message for my personal command shoutout message. And that should work in theory. I'm not sure for stream elements if that will still work, but it might. Now, is there a way I can control its size? Tree distance. Thanks for the head pats, Tim. I don't have a desktop audio capture right now, do I? I'm gonna mute my Discord audio capture for a moment, so if anyone joins the VC boot, you won't be heard for a moment. I just need to check something out. Yeah, I hope that helps, Ellie. Because the key parts is what that you're looking for is the $ parentheses, to user, for to user, those kinds of things. Like, everything after the $ inside parentheses is, yeah. Right, I want to change the right, that's 1,000 tiles big right now. I'll actually turn this down to 100 for now. We'll go 10, 20. So if I've set that to 100, that means 50 by 50 should be the thing, right? Because where's 0 by 0? Okay, so 50? No. Minus 50. Minus 50. Yeah, there we go. That's still quite a big area for me to work with. Also, I do want to use another package that I have. Because again, I'm not an artist. Surprise, surprise. Where is it? Not that one. That one's gonna come in handy, I think. Interesting. I'm not after realistic right now. This one I may bring in. It's a very specific one I'm after. Sorry for the spider moment there. For anyone scared of them. It was free pack that I nabbed. Maybe it is down here? No. Wait, hold on. Not all of these are loaded. I'm not fully paying attention to what I have here. I'm just looking at the right here, so sorry if I didn't skip over that one. Here it is! By Lumisoft. Green Meadows, stylized. This is the one I'm after. Come on. There we go. Okay, good. They're already marked as do not upload to everything. Terrain. Okay, what if? Just gonna... No idea what it does. So we also have trees there. We also have bushes and stuff, particles, falling leaves and stuff. Okay. Kind of curious on how sky domes work. That's interesting. What is it I'm after? So that's for terrain. Environment's there. Hold on, paint texture. Adds layer. So yeah, what I can do is basically something like this. And we'll turn everything into this, like, gravel type effect. Well, look to it. Something's going on here, though. Let's find the textures for the ground here. What are they set to? Default 2Ds. Okay. Those are set to default 2Ds. Why is this one's showing up pure white then? Oh, it is the right color. Whoops. So yeah, we can now have this like green terrain effect here. Let's move the main camera a little bit. Actually, okay, yeah, it's just green sheets, okay. Also, another thing I want to do here is control this by temperature. Let's disable that. So this back to neutral. Nah. Right, okay. Do I have any of... okay, we'll go with that one for now. Turn off the vigilance. Then what we're going to also do is add... frick. Grass textures, not those ones, not those ones, not those ones. Give me a sec. Textures. Environment. Grass. Here. So that's the grass there. That's some quite big grass. Let's turn that down to 50-ish. We'll go with 20. Okay, it's not that big. That's fair. Is there an edit for this? Yeah, there. Da, da, da. Oh, for frick's sake. There we go. And we'll go a little bit more orangey, I think, for the dried grass. So then what you can kind of do is just go nuts with it. Right, okay. So I'm going to stop with that a moment. The other thing we need to do is... I swear I deleted that one. Thank you. I'm not gonna bother harassing the shader graph for that stuff. Wait, hold on, did I... Oh, I only downloaded it. Not that one, not that one. Yeah, that one. Import. Okay, I did import them. With Calving. Wait, hold on. Where? Is this gonna tell me where? It's hidden under packages. Delightful. Give me a sec, everyone. Okay, packages. Stars. Hold on. Got an issue here. Actually, I will use this for this. Because this is where it's a little bit better. There we go. The reason why I'm doing that is that otherwise, if I checked in everything, my source control will get so chunky. But yeah, I don't want it getting too chunky. Where is it? Not this one. It's not the first person one I want, it's this one. What's this one? Let's put that there for now. It's got a main camera. Okay. What's the difference between these two? Okay, so that's not a nested one. This one is. Okay. Yeah, this one seems more why one. Like, I know the way I said that sounded like, well, duh, it's, it says nested, but, like, my brain wasn't completely sure at the moment what nested meant. Main camera. So yeah, this is the starter asset here that we're gonna have some shenanigans with. Jeez, the grass is as tall as the Abbey. Yeah, this is what you can actually get with the starter assets. And from what I remember of the tutorial around the original one of these, is that you can create your own skin for it, take this one off, and just slap a new one in. From what I remember, I'm not fully sure, but I need to rewatch the tutorial behind it. Does this have control crouching? No. Yeah, this is what I'm thinking about using for my stuff. Don't worry about it. Just see what you can do. You don't have to complete it. You can complete it later if you want. It's just see what you can do in the time frame. That's the best way to look at it. Because I have no idea if my project's too big for me. Oh yeah, Tim, did you get the link I sent? Yeah, so they've combined the third and first person into one package, and that package is especially usable for the 2022.3s. Mind you, it looks so clean. Because here's the geometry for armature mesh. Whatever that does. Player camera routes. So that's probably the piece tracking. Armature. That's the new system, good. Then this is the armature itself here. Yeah, so I think as long as you have this on, also we're gonna get rid of that. Fuck. Right, yeah, this is where the transformation starts to happen. And it gets a little interesting. No, it's okay, you can tell me if you want. I don't mind. Like, yeah, that is loaded. We're gonna get rid of that. This line here, by the way, is how you can make sure a component is on an object, and no matter what, when you're programming it. I'm gonna get rid of those there. Those are the first changes I'm making. Jump and gravity. Move. This is the one I want. Here. This looks a little more complex than when I last remember it. Right, we're gonna get rid of controller.move because controller.move is not what I want to use. This is where the ransacking my own projects come in. Ah, nice. Yeah. Sounds good either way. I would recommend safe search for definite when double checking if that exists or not. Because I can imagine that being very interesting accident to happen. Yeah. What you could do. Yeah, or it just leads you down a very particular route in general, without it being a game. So what I'm going to switch to on here, the requires, is it requires a capsule collider and actually, yeah, all of these I'm pretty sure I can just drag out of here. Right, yeah. So rather than the character control, which we don't need anymore, and I can get rid of it now. Also, I'm going to close Velocital's project itself, so I don't need the whole thing open. Yeah, no worries, Ellie. Environment count component of type of the joys of IntelliCode finishing the lines for me. So now once that's done, it's all good. Just change it up a little bit. Besides, if you end up making it really good, then it'll be better than the mobile game. The mobile community doesn't care too much, I will admit, because they tend to rip each other off. Most of it, not all of it. Wait, hold on. I'm just gonna double check something. What did it do to... Okay, yeah, I'm just happy with that. I'll have to put them on manually, I think, by the looks of it. Originally, it used to be you just be able to dump them on. But yeah, this works a little bit differently to how I was using the input system, I will admit. The way I was doing it was, no, that's not what I need. Rigid body. As in 3 minutes, everyone. Well, just under. Right, we want interpolate on and discrete for now. What we're going to do on the programming side now is first I want to locate control. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change this for... I'm gonna rename this to... I am gonna redo the whole naming system of this because this is not how I like my naming to go. I may do that off stream because, hold on, and then... That's 2 gone. Welcome back. And what was the thing? Move position. We'll try that. Right, we're gonna go RB here. Change this to rigid body. Can I just add a freaking... Oh yeah. Also, in the start here, I need to add in, I'll do the squats in a moment. There we go. One sec. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So first thing we're going to do is... Yeah, Ghost likes to do that. First we're going to test if this works or not. That's an issue. Velocity I need. One sec. Debug. There we go. One of these is going to say a velocity, I think. Yeah, that's pretty accurate. Well, I could actually nab, Thanks for 1 Billy Tim.
Jack Noah 11 GG Jack Noah 11 Hype Jack Noah 11 Happy Hyper Cheese Fort Hype Pock Charizard Mr. Destructoid.
Oh god, this is getting worse. Oh, I'm gonna find this stuff about gravity in a moment. Give me a sec. Because there'll be one of those shenanigans where they have gravity as a variable. There's all the shit about gravity. Not there. Not there. Da, da, da. No, I don't want to set it. Hold on a sec. Was it? Let's say just X or something. Nope. Hold on. I messed that up. Let's say that for shits and giggles. I don't think we need this here. Okay, so we go back up here. There we go. Let's just give this a shot, see what happens. Okay, it's not as bad. Now, the second problem we've got here is that we need the direction. Welcome back, Ellie. Da, da, da. I'll replace that with a lower D just in case. Because we have a target direction here. times by speed times by delta time. Okay. For that one. But here I have transform position dot. Okay. What's already in the direction? Okay. So we're gonna do transform dot position. That. Also, that can be simplified to that. Or something like that. Hold on. I'll deal with that in a moment, actually. Oh god, it's not detecting when it's hit the ground. Delightful. So now it's just in constant freefall. The fuck? What does it mean? So why is the collider that? Hold on. Assets, project settings. No. Sets, preferences. Frick. Okay, that's on, so it's just doesn't want to because technically this is... Hey Blaze, welcome! I'm okay, how are you? I'm currently just messing around with some of this stuff. Yeah. Also, nice new name. I noticed the other day you rebranded a little bit. Let's go about there. And then we want the height. Right, let's say that the height is 2. Then let's move this down to 0.75. Which seems to be a little bit too big. Still a smidge too big. There we go. Yeah, so it's you. Brain. Currently I'm working on a new project for Multimedia Easter Jam I'm hosting. Basically anyone can make anything, whether it be game, prop, piece of art, music, video, whatever kind of thing. I'm hosting in the Discord server. I'm going down my normal route of a game jam. Thanks for the stretch. So currently I'm doing a little bit of fighting here with this system, getting everything running, and all of that fun stuff. And comparing what I do in this script here to determine some of the stuff to the Unity starter script, which is always a delight to try and fight with. Right, okay, for rotation, what do I have speed set to? I don't think I messed with that. Drift speed is that, sprint speed is that, okay. I think half of this is the jump and gravity stuff. Okay, for now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hash that out. Well, comment it out. See what I can do. Okay, the direction part's down. Just gonna try ripping something out a moment. Just so I know what's doing what. Okay, yeah, this is fine here, this bit. So it's this bit not working here. Okay, I'm just gonna try ripping out this bit, to be honest. Because I don't think we need to use velocity for this. The fuck? Alright, this. I don't think we need the velocity thing, to be honest. Whoops. Give me a sec to sort out one of those issues. Decided to take a nap. Okay, that is working there. I think it's this whole drag thing. That's the problem here. Now, those are meant to be into place for RB move position. But why am I moving so slow? That's the question here. Right, we're gonna put that to 9 and then that to 12. Because you see, I am moving. Very, very slowly. Good night, Ghost. I hope you sleep well. Oh, like Spike. My brain's honestly looking at these trying to figure out what the heck is causing so much drag. Because this is all I have for my movements here. None of this other fancy stuff that the other one has. Because we have a direction here. I'm gonna check if there's anything about drag in here. No, there's draw, but no drag. We're gonna grab everything. Okay, what about speed? What the heck is speed going through? I think it's underscore speed I'm looking for. What did I do here in mine? Transport. Okay, play move direction here. This is what I did here for mine. The play move direction, that's normalized then times by speed. Here it's got the This may fuck it up a little bit, but I'm trying something. Because this is like everything done here, so what we want to do is get like the speed and stuff in here. Because speed is being done anyway afterwards. Here. Then... yeah, go for it. We're taking that out of there. Mind you, I am curious why it's doing Quatonian Ula there. Yeah. Slowly getting there, everyone. Alright, hold on. I'm gonna set this genuinely to 5 and 10. Right, there is one project I can think of I can scrap about it a little bit to get some insight. If it's not totally busted, which potentially yes. Couch co-op brush. Is it all there? Seems to be. Still haven't tried interfaces yet. Possibly a silly question, but do you... So interfaces act as their own little script that other things inherit from. Which I think is, yeah, what you asked. Hopefully that works. Or I'm gonna have to do this. Add projects from disk. Where is it? Damn it, I don't have it. Alright, hold on. I'm just gonna gut this, I think. Some of it. Because, like, some of this is a lot. But hold on, I'm gonna check something, rotation-wise. I'm gonna watch that rotation there. Yeah, so, I'll bring up the Lost Souls in a minute. Because I know what they've done here is to add gradual speed in it, but the problem is the drag. Right, so we've got the target speed here. Move speed. Yeah, no, like, interfaces is... I'll load for projects in the background. Input. So I've got speed here, which equals the target speed here. This. Target speed is being used in the animation blend, okay. Also, this bugs me. It's just bugging my reading. It's doing nothing, it's just how it's lined up. It's messing with my brain because I like to be able to just read like that. The reason why some people do that is because the line gets so long that they need to inline it because it doesn't fit on the screen. But when you're working on a setup like this, you're pretty much fine to have it all on one. Right, there's the target direction there. Which is using Eula's method of a quaternion. What if I removed this? This may... Wait, no, that's the target direction. Not the movement. I think that's part of the problem there. What if I did that? Nope. Give me a sec while I, need my character controller back. Transform.right times y. That's the player move direction there. Player move direction is up here and it's a vector 3. Okay. Hold on, I'm gonna need these side by side a moment while I work this out. So this is using Euler's method right now. 00F. That's a vector 3 there. It's using Euler there. No, Okay, so we need the forward to be facing... Right, I'm just gonna try deleting this for a moment. Now what? Why is it going through all that? Yeah, so, yeah, so basically what you could do, for them, is like, I have I pick culpables here, is instead of class, it's now public interface. And then I've got the name here. Then I set a bunch of, methods here that I need. So when it comes to, like, this will be a different one, but for frick's sake, what do I have here? Not that one, not that one, not that one. Frick! Where's the frickin' door? Door call. So like on the door script, I could do a little comma, the interface name here. Yeah. And then it would create, let me try and spot them. I think it's gonna take me a moment to recognize which ones are them. Like, then, once I do that, like, it'll come up with an error, and then you just right-click on it and press the first option, I think it is. And it'll create a bunch of... It'll create them all in here, with, like, a not yet implemented thing. And then all you do in there is return, fill that, replace the not used yet, implemented yet, with whatever you want, like, primary act. If a door is busy, play animation. Well, if the door isn't busy, play the animation method, which is here. Which honestly, yeah, I know I could just simplify it to there, but I haven't cleaned it up yet. And the way they work is that you can have a series of objects that all use derived from the same interface. As long as you want them all to do a similar thing. Like be interacted by the player in a similar way. So like, for firing a gun, let's say, instead of like doing get SMG controller, let's say for a script name, you call instead the get gun controller as the interface name, and then you put like the little out and then out the interface name again and a little variable name. So then from there you can go like, oh, I want it to fire, so you just call fire. So then inside of, let's say, the SMG controller, you then, inside of that little thing, will have the SMG doing its own independent thing. But inside the script, you're only doing it once for, like, shotgun, SMG, assault rifle kind of thing, in a shooter sense. And the same goes for, like, oh, I want to pick up a door. Open a door. Open a door, interacts with a car door, kind of thing. They all may have different things on the script level, but again, you're just calling it that one time inside of the code. Which is amazing, to be honest. And true, you may need like two different interfaces for like a door to pick up a ball. But it reduces it from like a 50 if statement long of, oh, if try get components SMG, try to get door, try to get apple. It's just try to get components interactable, try to get components pick upable kind of thing. And then you can do like call the variable inside of that if statement and then go primary interacts, secondary interacts kind of thing. Which is where the usefulness comes in. Like, for example, if I go to my character movement over here, not here, interact. You can see here, this is what I've reduced it down to. If ray objects dot try get component, pick upables the item to pick up, call pickup, and then feed in the hand position. So then, the pickupable goes to that hand position. And like, for example, in my script, in the terms of the Lost Souls, what this interactables here is doing is this particular one. It's interacting with drawers, cupboards, doors, everything under one little thing. And the two scripts are what the drawers and cupboards are using is different to the doors. So it's ends up being that useful for just limiting it to this. Yeah, so like for say you had like apple, onion, cheese, different things like this, but you could all just call upon something like this here to pick up, and then you drop them the same way. Like, interfaces help simplify the code so much, because it enables you to still have a ton of different scripts for the different things, but simplify how the player interacts with them on the code level. I'm gonna quickly ransack my player settings here. 5 and 2, interpel, continuous, 5 and 2, 0. Okay, none of that matters there. Frozen them. I don't think continuous would help. I'm gonna try it just in case. Oh, for fuck's sake. I wish I did somehow fuck up my Couch Co-op save file. Oh, never mind, there it is. It doesn't know, so... Give me a sec. This could break big time, so hopefully stream doesn't break. What does it mean, 5.0? The fuck? Also, I'm saving this quickly. I don't need this getting corrupted. Yeah. They sound complex at first, but once you get it, it should enter safe mode. They become rather simplified. Text Mesh Pro having issues. Actually, no, shit. I just realized. Recycle. Where the fuck is my recycle bin? Restore the selected item. So what we want to do here... I have no idea what's happened to this project, to be honest. Like, I'm sad that I have no idea what happened to this one because I wanted to fix it. I've always just had to put everything in one messy script approach. Yeah, that's fair. Unity render pipeline. Why did I say Unity rental pipeline is URP? I seriously, this makes me sad because this was the Couch Co-op projects, which I think I hid because it ended up being a bit more of a buggy mess and stuff. I messed it up a little bit. Okay, that's plan. Thanks, Tim. Like, I'm genuinely having to install all the packages that come by default into here, which is sad for me because this was a fully working project. And then when I went to move half my projects to my new storage device, I feel like some of them got messed up in the process. And I don't know why or how. The Lost Souls was one of the few I had. But even its, the source control got confused on it and messed up, which was sad. Because this one I managed to do in a couple of days. Like, it was about 2 weeks long, game jam, and I did this project within the last week, and I didn't even use up the whole week for it. And it was a couch co-op game. I think I had visual scripting in here, which is why that's showing up. But if I can get this project repaired, it means I can nab stuff from this here, the first-person controller. I'm glad I entered safe mode, actually. It helps me get this patched up. Because what I was doing there to locate the things that I need, I know the core RP is always there. And then there's other stuff around as well. So that project is going to reload in the background. Well, here, but you know. The reason why I'm nabbing this is because I already did this kind of work with this one. So it's just a matter of seeing what I can do to repair it. Not repair it. To nick from this one to put into the current one. Because it's a little bit different because it's third-person control. Project settings, graphics. There should be an URP in here. Let's just say medium for this. Yes, continue. There we go. Got it back. Just like that. Like, sure, there'll be things I'll need to change in this because it's been a long time since I did this. It's the move script. Okay, it's... Okay, we're still using this here. But I can upgrade in the future. I'm not going to be working on this one today. So that's for local rotation there. I like how I used Ulad's Quatonian here, but didn't fucking use it here. Right, okay, so this one isn't going to help me too much. Also, by the way, if you want to kind of do the same thing that... Right, yeah, I've got that. If you kind of want to do, use the player inputs the same way that this one is, I recommend looking in here, because this will show you what it's kind of doing. It's very different with the fact that you kind of have to do, like, you have to match the names one for one. Just got curious, is it hard to direct point and click input? So of having a control player, it's just mouse controlled. Dragging items around it. Okay. I don't know on that one, because I've not tried it myself. What I suppose you could do is, there's a whole method where, like, you click on the screen and it sends out raycast or something. And whenever it hits, you can tell something to move there. Or what I suppose you could do is, in a 2D game, is get the item that you've grabbed to match the position of the mouse position. I suppose that could work. Right. I need to locate where the rotation is happening for most of this. Because it looks like this is it here. Yeah. This is it here. What I should be able to do... We'll close the couch co-op rush for now. Because that one's outdated compared to current stuff. Right, I want to go up back to move. There it is. So, the player move direction is handled by transform right. What about the looking? How is that one handled? That's how I'm handling the rotation of this here. What if we do up? Let's just for a moment try this out for rotation. This is where it goes horribly wrong, to be honest. Alright, so I'm gonna do to terrain quickly. I'm just gonna change this back to... Actually, this is the first terrain settings. There's tree colliders. Yeah, I wonder why the gravity is like that. I'm gonna re-enable the gravity in here. Oh, what now? Right, where's the jumping in here? Okay, ground check is working. Da. You know, I'm gonna set my playlist to shuffle. Why is there now 2 shuffle options? There's apparently smart shuffle and shuffle. It's scary. Why is Spotify fucking making things more complex? It doesn't need more complexity. Shuffle should be shuffle. I'm sorry, a little internal rants. It's just scary when they're like, you know what? Let's do this. Let's add 2 shuffles. Like, I don't need 2 shuffles. Oh god, I'm not touching that. I don't want smart shuffle. I'm sorry, it's just one of those things of like, why does it need to be more complex again? Let's try that. Yes, I will watch Netflix on my fridge. Oh no. You know, I'm gonna do something very simple instead for the jump. RB dot add force. Trying to remember how the fuck I do this. I think I have jump in here. Yeah, I do actually think about it. Right, yeah, that's how I do it. I think that's what I need to do. Let's try it. Oh shit. Alright, forgot to add a force mode. I think that's the problem that I didn't do there. Oh, for fuck's sake. Half of this velocity stuff is actually annoying me. Right, that I'm gonna get rid of. We don't need to actually fuck around with velocity, I don't think. Also, what is the heck is the jump power in here? Right, okay. So we just need this here. Kinda. Okay, let's just get rid of that. Maybe that will work. We'll see. This bit we'll keep here because this is the whole animation stuff. That's okay there. That resets the timer. What the fuck is has animator? I want to guess that's the animation thing. Okay. What is that further up? Yeah, it is just an animator. Whatever's going on with that falling, I feel is part of it. That worked. It worked a bit too well. Is it coming down? Yeah, it's coming down now. Welcome to game development, where you're fucking about with modifying a system and this shit happens. Why is it slowing down when it comes to here? It's a lot of its velocity control that I feel is the problem. Do I feel it is personally? Again, why is that like that? Fuck's sake. Hold on, give me a sec. I'm gonna feed this into something.
This is
It's
a
a
bucket.
bucket.
Dear God.
There's
There's
more.
more.
No.
Hey Margaret, welcome to stream. I'll give Athena treats in a sec. Athena. There you go. Good girl. Sorry a moment, everyone. I'm
It's
just
wizard
double-checking
time, motherfucker! Fireball!
Thanks for Bonk and Fireball. Just consulting something out a minute. Also, for now, what I'm gonna do this side is I'm gonna turn off the terrain and instead add in a plane. Just to test how this, if it's the terrain or this. Honestly, I may remove some of this. Yeah, I'm gonna rip this out a little bit. Because I can look at this another time and break it down. So those other two is alternating between. I've told it to do that there. I've gotten rid of a lot of acceleration stuff, which I will try in a moment. Just trying that out. This may fuck it up more, but you know. Well then, definitely messed up more. Definitely worked. There's one way to make a cartoony as hell sprint. That's for animation stuff there. Okay, that's the input direction. That's okay. I do wish Unity did more Capsule Collider rigid body based stuff, because the reason why I'm not using the Capsule Collider is that Capsule Collider is great for starting off, but it's only really meant for getting you started. Because as you want to customize your controls and stuff, the Capsule Collider starts to become a little bit of a hindrance on that. Which is why I don't use this. Rotation is fine. First, let's get rid of this. I'm gonna try this. By. I think I'm getting this right. Like, this is probably bad to mention, but I can never remember which vertical and horizontal is. What does it mean? It's a... Okay, yeah, that's the right way. What is he trying... Give me a sec, everyone. I can't see chats at the minute, so because I'm having to read for compare stuff. Right, so the whole thing that I've got going on here in my own script is, let's say we create then we'll call this one horizontal, then vertical, then we get this one to be input dot move dot x. Okay, there we go. Then we have that. But the problem is this again. Now, why is that treating vector freeze differently to my one? Because that's a float, but that's a transform. Oh, for fuck's sake. It's one little difference between the two. There we go. So I could legit just turn this back into... The usual thing of my brain missing one tiny ass little symbol. It's screwing it all up. Let's try that. Also, I don't need to normalize that. I've already normalized it. Okay, they're both heading there. For frick's sake. Apply root motion is off, okay. Just gonna try this a sec. What are you grumbling about? You're taking a tail. Right, because I don't need a jump system, I'm once again gonna, right now, I'm gonna once again disable it. I'm gonna turn this off for a moment. If I can. Okay, I'm gonna try something different. See what mine does. My personal one does. Okay, yeah, so that's where that can be normalized. In theory. Or not, apparently. One sec, I realized what I've done there. Did I do Control X? Nope. One sec. Just trying to make my life a little bit easier. There we go. What's Athena? Then the next part is that we need to add in the rotation. Alright, I better go deal with Athena. I'll be back. I'm back. Da-da-da.
It's wizard time, motherfucker! Fireball!
Good as that. Thanks, Tim. Right, okay, so what I need to do is control the actual movement direction. What I'm thinking I may do is deal with this here. So, if I'm getting this right here, we have sprint speed and move speed here, so we have sprint speed here. We could do with renaming this one just to walk speed. Just so we know what it is. Rather than just move speed. Instead of target speed, let's try this. We will do... Let's say we put this in a little bubble here. We times it by speed. And I think that would give us... This is just a fault on the animation to fix it. No idea what this is going to do to the rotation. I'm a bit dead brain on how to change the move input direction to the facing direction. So I'm gonna go to that thingy. Where can I change the direction to? Where's everyone up to currently? Also, who's bonking? Thanks, Tim. Why have I got a notification here? Yep, I'll do the squats first. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thanks for the hydrate too. And the headbutts. I'm currently poking GBT to see if it has some valued information for me. gonna do one last check here, on how... on if that y-axis is... Okay, let's compare this to what I've got. Maybe? I hope GBT's right on this. I do use GBT as a consultant sometimes for more specific stuff. Okay, that's a problem there. We're gonna have this here, and we're gonna do input dot no. Because the problem that happened there is that it's just feeding off speeds, which means... Now, once I have the speed sorted out... you know, get rid of half of whatever is causing it to be grippy. think I've figured something out I can do here. I can do... times by that. Then we do speed here. Then... we can do speed here. Helps if I spelt things right and then start hearing random keys. Because also I noticed just noticed that second I was doing twice. Hold on a friggin' minute. I just noticed something that isn't right here. Remove that. I'll change this to transform. Because we don't need to rotate through rigid body. There we go. That's part of it there. Nah, fuck. Wrong button. Anything else on here that shouldn't be? Let's also change that to analog because I've learned that stuff set not to analog can be iffy for controller. Right, there's a grounded method I think I saw somewhere. I'd rather just have a rate cast down kind of thing. Actually, there's a way I can locate this a little bit faster. So it's nice that you can also this kind of shows you that you can add little tooltips to things as well. Where is it? That's the one I want by the looks of it. That's only the jump one there. Okay. Now, there's something I need to look for in here. That I noticed, and that's the rigid body thing. Okay, no sign of it. Fun. Let me check something here. I have a feeling it's something to do with the animator there. This is bugging me. You know, I'm gonna wrap up stream here. Right, I'm gonna try and get this fixed because it's really bugging me now. But I'll do it off stream. Yeah, thank you everyone for joining me today. I really appreciate every single one of you. I'll be live tomorrow with We Happy Few. I'm going to be starting that on, I don't even know if I changed that on the time, on the schedule. I just realized that. Give me a sec. Yep, I forgot that. Crap. So yeah, I'll be starting We Happy Few on permadeath mode tomorrow on the one of the hardest difficulties. I'm not sure if I've got the hardest unlocked or not, but we shall see. But if there is one to unlock, either way, I'm going to be playing on the hardest one available. So yeah, I will edit the game jam. Well, yeah, the game jam command for this, so that way you guys can get more info on this if you want. But in the meantime, feel free to join the Discord server, which is the main hosting ground for it. Pretty much the idea is you can make anything from a game to a retexture of an avatar that you own, or create avatars, videos, props, art pieces, music, videos, whatever. Go wild. This one's not ending till midnight on the dead on midnight UK time, which will be 1st of April, basically. I may edit the itch page to say specifically ends on the 1st of April, my time. But yeah, in the meantime, thank you everyone so much for joining me. I appreciate every single one of you. If you're watching this on YouTube, thank you for watching, and I shall see you all next time. I'll try and get this a lot more progressed by next Wednesday. It's the joys of editing stuff from the character controller to other stuff. It becomes a little bit nightmare fuel. Yeah, if you enjoyed today's stream or feel like checking out more stuff, feel free to check out everything in the link tree. I do have a few game builds out on Itch and Game Jolt, so feel free to check them out. Both are linked below in the about section and in the link tree there. But however, in the meantime, we are going to raid out. You know, I see Tolk playing Lethal. So we are going to go raid out to Tolk. There's the message: the Gremlins have escaped. Right there. Gonna set up the raid now. Thank you everyone once again so much for joining me today. I appreciate every single one of you. And I shall see you all tomorrow for We Happy Few. See ya!